Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile using a mouse and keyboard. To begin, you will need to download and install a mobile emulator on your computer. Emulators like GameLoop, BlueStacks, or LD Player are excellent choices, offering robust performance and key mapping features. These programs essentially create a virtual Android environment, allowing you to run mobile applications seamlessly on your desktop. This setup provides a significant advantage for precise aiming and movement. Once you have selected an emulator, navigate to its official website and download the installer. The installation process is straightforward, typically taking only a few minutes to complete. After installation, launch the emulator, which will present you with an interface similar to an Android tablet. From there, access the built-in App Store, search for Call of Duty Mobile, and proceed with the game's installation. This step ensures the game runs within the optimized emulator environment. With Call of Duty Mobile installed, the next crucial step is customizing your controls. Most emulators feature a dedicated key mapping tool, often accessible via a sidebar icon. This tool allows you to drag and drop virtual buttons onto the game's interface, then assign specific keyboard keys or mouse clicks to each. For instance, you can map WASD for movement and the left mouse button for firing. Spend some time perfecting your layout for optimal gameplay. To ensure the smoothest experience, delve into your emulator settings. Adjust graphics quality, frame rate, and allocate sufficient RAM and CPU cores, perhaps 4 GB of RAM and 4 CPU cores for best results. A powerful computer will naturally yield better performance. Practice your new mouse and keyboard controls in the game's training modes to build muscle memory. You will soon enjoy significantly improved aiming and movement precision in every match.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.